Christmas tells us life is not just an existence, but a wonderful miracle. Live every moment with joy and gratitude. Christmas isn't just a season, it's a feeling. It's a time to share love and joy, a time to recollect beautiful memories. It's a time to sit back, relax, and enjoy the holiday season. So here's to a Christmas, a time of remembering, a time of loving, a time for giving, a time of believing, a time of gratitude, a time to slow down, a time to simplify, a time of magic, a time of peace. May your Christmas sparkle with moments of love, laughter, and goodwill. May the coming year be full of contentment and joy. A very Merry Christmas to each one of you. Thank you for being a part of our journey in the year 2021. We will be back in the year 2022 with lots of content, lots of cozy content, and lots of good wishes. See you on the other side of the calendar.